Hi everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. I just came across a couple of articles from Reuters and The Independent, and there's a few other news outlets covering this as well. But it looks like we're getting some information coming out from the produce growers in the UK saying that they are going to anticipate shortages of carrots, leeks, and cabbages coming up in the weeks ahead. The CEO of the UK Growers Association has stated that they're starting to see the impact of extreme weather conditions and drought on UK crops. Also, UK grown leeks might be hard to find this spring because UK leek growers are saying that their yields are down by up to 30% this year, and they are actually expecting to run out of local supply by April. So shoppers will have to rely on imported products to fulfill that need, and the prices, of course, will be higher because of that. Also, because Britain relies on other parts of Europe like Spain and North Africa for some of their produce, there has been cold weather there as well, so it's impacted the produce that they've been able to receive from those areas. So in response to this, the major UK grocery store chains like Aldi, Tesco, Asda, and Morrisons have implemented rationing on things like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. I was also reading that some Italian restaurants in the UK are having to drop certain items from their menus because they're having trouble sourcing tomato-based products. So it's more difficult to make traditional items like pizza or spaghetti sauces without those items. So they're having to adjust their menus to accommodate that. According to the Office for National Statistics in the UK, it stated that 1/5 of UK residents experienced food shortages or difficulty in getting essential food items in the past 2 weeks, which is up 13% from last year. And also, some food importers are saying that Britain's exit from the EU is adding another layer of complexity to the problem because it's adding more bureaucracy and hoops for importers to jump through to actually get food delivered across the channel to the places where it's needed. However, these shortages are expected to be temporary as the growing seasons for other parts of the world catch up and supermarkets are able to source suppliers for produce from other areas. And that should happen, they're anticipating, by about May or June. So in the meantime, if you're seeing higher prices for things, you don't need to panic. Maybe just work around other produce that you have available to you. Maybe see if you can source some tinned tomato products just so that you have them on hand in your pantry and you have those available. And this is a good reminder to all of us. With spring just around the corner, this is the perfect opportunity to try your hand at growing some salad greens yourself, like lettuce, arugula, or mustard greens, which is what I have here. And these are perfect for the beginner gardener because all you need is a container, some dirt, some seeds, and a sunny spot. And in a few weeks, you'll have some beautiful greens to enjoy. And you don't need any kind of a green thumb at all. It is still a little cold out now, so what I've done here is I just have everything planted, and I just cover it up with a piece of plastic just to hold the heat in a little bit better, and you get some nice, nutritious, homegrown greens. So if you live in an apartment and you want to garden and you don't have access to a sunny balcony, see if you can get access to a community garden plot in your neighborhood where you can try your hand at growing some things that will do well in the area that you live in. And it's so good for all of us, even to produce a little of our own food, because it just helps us to better weather any supply issues that we may have coming up in the future. So with that being said, thank you so much for joining in with me today on this quick little update, and we'll catch you in the next one.